Hello everyone, I am Hemantan Patil. So in this video I am going to explain about Git Stash. So first I will explain its definition and after that I will showcase by practically. Okay. So the Git Stash is your temporary drawer. It allows you to sweep your messy unfinished work of your desk so you can handle an emergency task on a clean state. Once the emergency is over, you just pop the drawer open and put your work back exactly where you left it. So this is a definition, but I will explain this definition with the help of example. So imagine you are working on future branch. So suddenly, there is some emergency in your main branch. So as of now, you need to stash, means you need to stop the work you are doing in your future branch. So you then go back to your master or main branch, and after completing that branch, you can come back to your future branch. So you can pop that specific work you have done. So for that, you need to use Git Stash. I will explain this definition and this uh, scenario how it works with help of one example. Okay. GitLab. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. So now I will delete this mess. Config txt. Okay. So now I will create one file. So that is config.txt. Okay. And after that I will add port number 80. And after that I will save. And then I write git add and git commit adding 80. Okay. Adding 80. Okay. Adding 80. So on branch master, nothing to commit. Working is clean. Okay. So as of now, I want to change this to 443. So when I am doing that, so there is some emergency on another branch. So I need to go to that another branch. So before I need to stash this. Means stashing is like a stopping the work you have doing. So you can after completing another work, so you can start wherever you have ended in previous work. Okay. So as of now, I just wrote port 403, but as of now, I need to go to another branch or I need to do some changes in another files. But I need this state. I need this state so I can reopen this state later. So for that, I am going to write git stash save. I am going to give some meaningful descriptions. So I am going to write changing port 443. Okay. So saved working directory and index state on master, changing port 443. So after writing this git stash, here the port equal to port 432, it went to port 432, port equal to 80. So now suppose if I want to see all the stashes I have done, you can just write git stash list. Yeah. So my current one is changing port to port 443. So this is all about. And after that, suppose you just imagine you went to another branch, you completed that work, and you came back to this your future branch, and as of now you need to pop. So you need to pop that work you are stashed. So for that you need to write git stash pop. So after writing this command, the port once again becomes 443. That means it is reopening that work you have stashed. Okay, see, 443. So this is all about git stash and git stash pop. Thank you.